Well, hello there. I'm here to show you our next subscription box. This is our craft box. Within the box, it's all about 3D borders. Now, you get stamps and you get embossing folders, but I know you want to know, what can you make? So, take a look at this. As I say, we've got some stamps in here that creates a nice round border wreath, but then you get separate stamps where you can just create edgeables if you wanted to as well. You get a 3D embossing folder. Altogether, you get 220 elements. Plus that, but I know you want to have a look, see what you get inside. So let's just do that. So as you can see, as normal, how your box will look, a minimum of 24 cards. However, you can make more than that. If you look after your stamps and embossing folders, they'll last you a lifetime. Now have a look at these stamps. So this is where your border comes in place. Now we've got this large circle wreath stamp. So this has got all the fine detail of the flowers, the foliage, the petals, all combined within that wreath. Then we've got this nice curved edgeable one. So you can pop it on the edge of your card, you can maybe make a larger circle, or maybe just do your shadowing, or maybe your masking effect with the larger ones. You get smaller ones as well, little accents for the corners. But then you get butterflies, teeny butterflies. You get a sentiment stamp there that says just for you, and you also get best. So then you can then start to incorporate different stamps if you wanted to building up your scenes. But then when it comes to the smaller stamps, you've even got additional little dies. So you've got the full butterfly, you've got the butterfly body on its side, you've got some petals from flowers, you've even got the die that says wishes. So then that works in well with the stamp that says best wishes. So that is these ones, but then you get your embossing folder. Not any embossing folder, this is your cut and emboss folder. Now this one, as well as the other dies, will go through your Gemini Mini or your Gemini Go. But then you get lots of extra things because it's a craft kit. Have a look at these ones here. So we have got organza ribbons, multiple different sizes as well as bright colours. You've got the pearls as with that as well, really zinging in your face kind of gems just here. But then you've got your card blanks, you've got your envelopes to go with it too. You get your A6, you get your 6x6, your 5x7. But then you've got your stamping card. Stamping card, so it all comes neatly in the box, 8x8. Cut into it if you so wish. You can even just die cut it if you wanted to. But then you want to add your backgrounds. You've got these pattern papers as well. Nice pastel with a hint of vibrant colours within the full lot. All 8x8. But then you want to do your mats and layers. You've got your full colours on the back as well. So you've got your oranges, you've got your greens, you've got your oranges as well. So that is all your full colours as well as your pattern papers that you can see just here. Stamping card included. Card blanks and envelopes that you can see there. You've got your stamps, you've got your embossing folders, you've got your dies, you've got your ribbons, and you've also got your gems. They all come included in the actual subscription box of 3D Borders.